CNC Tracing 101. How do we trace this outline? Well, the first thing we're going to do is from there to there. That's a line. We see a line, we click start, and we just digitize the 2 points of that line. Got another line here, got another line here, another line, another line, another line. Got the lines there. Now here, that is a curve. I tell it that we are going to do a curve, and a curve, we just come in here and digitize that curve as a series of points. Just go all the way around the curve. And then I have the stop of the curve there. And then I'm going to switch to an arc here. So all I do, see how the points are on the curve? When I click arc for my next session, it turns it into a nice smooth curve. Now I have an arc. I've got a couple arcs here. On an arc, I do the midpoint, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint. Here I have another curve. So I come in here and tell it that it's a curve. Just digitize points right along that curve. Again, you see the points, it's going to turn it into a curve. Now I have here an arc, another arc. So I do midpoint, endpoint, midpoint, endpoint. Here I've got a little curve. I do it as a curve. Again, just as a bunch of points along that curve. I'm all done. I click stop. There it is. What a great outline. Let's save the file.